Welcome to this video on the end of hypertension. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, affects millions of people worldwide and is a major risk factor for serious health conditions such as heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. In this video, we're going to dive into the best natural remedies for hypertension and how you can bring an end to this condition. So, if you're looking for ways to manage your blood pressure without medication, make sure to stay tuned. Hypertension, also known as high blood pressure, is a common health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Hypertension occurs when the force of blood pushing against the walls of the arteries is too high, leading to a range of serious health problems such as heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. The good news is that hypertension can be managed and treated, and with proper care and lifestyle changes, many people with hypertension can lead healthy, active lives. The end of hypertension can be achieved through a combination of lifestyle changes and medical treatments. Lifestyle changes include adopting a healthy diet, regular exercise, quitting smoking, reducing stress, and limiting alcohol intake. A diet low in salt and high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Regular exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, can also help lower blood pressure and improve overall health. In addition to lifestyle changes, medication is often necessary to control hypertension. Common medications used to treat hypertension include ACE inhibitors, beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, and diuretics. These medications work by relaxing the blood vessels and reducing the resistance to blood flow, thereby reducing blood pressure. However, for some people, medication is not always necessary or desired. Natural remedies for hypertension can be effective for reducing and managing blood pressure. Some of the best natural remedies for hypertension include garlic. Garlic has been shown to help lower blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessels and improving blood flow. Eating raw garlic or taking garlic supplements can help reduce hypertension. Exercise. Regular exercise can help lower blood pressure and improve overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, most days of the week. Relaxation techniques. Stress can contribute to high blood pressure, so it is important to find ways to reduce stress and relax. Techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing, and progressive muscle relaxation can help reduce stress and lower blood pressure. Magnesium. Magnesium is an important mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and is essential for heart health. Good sources of magnesium include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Potassium. Potassium is another important mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and is essential for heart health. Good sources of potassium include bananas, sweet potatoes, avocados, and leafy greens. Herbs and spices. Some herbs and spices have been shown to help lower blood pressure, including basil, cayenne pepper, ginger, and turmeric. Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is an antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and improve heart health. Taking coenzyme Q10 supplements can help lower blood pressure. In conclusion, hypertension is a common health condition that can lead to serious health problems if not properly managed. However, with the right combination of lifestyle changes and medical treatments, hypertension can be managed and even ended. Natural remedies can be a safe and effective way to reduce and manage blood pressure, and combining natural remedies with medication and lifestyle changes can lead to optimal health and the end of hypertension. Thank you for watching this video on the end of hypertension. We hope you learned a lot about the best natural remedies for high blood pressure and how you can bring an end to this condition. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on natural health and wellness. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who may also benefit from these tips. Together, we can bring an end to hypertension and improve our health and well-being.